Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a hardware wallet for cryptocurrency. First, unbox your new hardware wallet and connect it to your computer. You'll need to install the companion software provided by the manufacturer. Follow the on-screen prompts to initialize the device, which usually involves setting a PIN. This initial setup is crucial for securing your digital assets. Next, you'll generate your recovery seed phrase. This is a critical step, as this phrase is the master key to your funds. Write down the 12 or 24 words exactly as they appear, in the correct order, on the provided recovery sheet. Double-check every word for accuracy. Store this sheet in a safe, private place, like a fireproof safe, never digitally. Now, let's send and receive cryptocurrency. To receive, simply open your wallet's application, select the desired crypto, and copy your public address. Share this address with the sender. To send, enter the recipient's address and the amount. Crucially, confirm the transaction details directly on your hardware wallet screen before approving. This physical verification prevents malicious attacks. Finally, some essential security practices. Always keep your hardware wallet's firmware updated to benefit from the latest security enhancements. Never, ever share your recovery seed phrase with anyone. It's the ultimate key to your funds. Use a strong, unique PIN for your device and consider changing it every few months. Your diligence ensures your crypto remains safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.